Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So let's check our next 48 hours. It's going to be collective reading. Let's see what do we have for the collective for next 48 hours. It's going to be in Hindi and English mix. Whoa. Oh my god. We have Hierophant, we have Ace of Cups, we have the Lovers. What the hell is happening? Okay. See, for next 48 hours, I definitely do feel that either some romantic interest is coming your way, and it's not just romantic, but definitely I do feel that you might end up being with this person. A very strong commitment, lover's energy is there. For some, it can be a brand new person who is coming into your life, and they will come with an offer of love. Another message that I'm getting as an overview before we clarify, I also feel that you might be traveling soon, or you are about to, do some project or some kind of project that you might want to take up, or some freelancing work can also be there. And this is going to be something where you will really enjoy. You will literally love doing that work. Okay, you're getting clarity over some project, you're getting clarity over something which was unknown to you, something which was uncertain to you. Okay, now let's clarify all the cards and then I'll begin with the proper reading. Definitely. Okay, so starting with the first one, which is Ace of Swords, I do feel that your life is changing for the better. I think some of you have been silent about something. Okay, if you have been staying in silence, you have not been speaking about something, you have been doing some kind of deep introspection work, you have been waiting for divine justice to happen, because I am sensing that you are someone who did not take any kind of revenge, even if you felt that a lot of unjust has happened to you and a lot of things are going on. Still, I don't think that you took any kind of revenge, or you were thinking about anything negative about others or someone who has put you down, because you were waiting for divine का justice. Okay, you were waiting for God's justice. आप चाहते थे कि भगवान आके justice है, instead of you cursing someone, or you polluting your own energy. So here you are getting some clarity over it, and I think this clarity is something that universe is going to give it to you. Okay, and for some, I also feel that if you have been in some kind of hermit zone, meaning spending time with yourself, okay, spending time in aloneness, बहुत silence में रहना, so that silence is definitely ending. Either you will speak up about something, or you will approach someone, so that kind of energy is there. Then we have, so basically silence is ending. Then we have Three of Wands. So here we have King of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and we have Queen of Swords. See, I think you were not getting clarity about something. Okay, now for some it can be a person, or for others it can be related to something that you're really passionate about. It can be a career as well. Maybe you were prioritizing a lot of money, you were prioritizing financial stability over something else, but now you're getting clarity about what do you really want to do, and that is to follow your passion regardless of whether it gives you money or not. Okay, very soon you might have to travel somewhere, or some kind of unexpected project is on its way, and it seems you're looking forward to this project. And I also feel that you are dealing with someone who has been going through some kind of ending in their life. Okay, इस person की life में बहुत ज़्यादा ending चल रही है, बहुत suffering के साथ कुछ end हो रहा है, and after it ends definitely this person is going to come towards you for a new beginning. Okay, and I don't think that you have been very close with this person or anything of that sort till now. Then we have the moon, we have 10 of wands, and we have the magician. So finally, any kind of third party situation, if you have been in any kind of third party situation or your person has been in any kind of third party situation, um, I don't know about your person, but definitely you are going to end some kind of third party situation if that is there. And if there has been any kind of illusion in front of you, or someone has been keeping secrets, या फिर आपको ऐसा लग रहा था, या you know that your life is in some kind of darkness, वो कहीं ना कहीं light नहीं आ रही थी, and you have been supporting yourself a lot, you have been supporting yourself emotionally, and it took you a lot to to take care of yourself, to be your own support. But now finally this phase is it seems that this phase is slowly ending, and you're manifesting something new in your life. And this can be something, for some it can be a new hobby, it can be something that you're learning for the first time, or for some it can be a relationship as well. Okay, so it depends, it's a very subjective energy. Okay, then we have the hierophant. So definitely the wait is over, the wait is over about something. But I think at the same time, when this blessing arrives in your life, you're not expecting it, and probably you might feel that you're not ready for it, because I do feel that you're occupied with something else in your life right now. Let's say that you're occupied with your career, you're occupied with your purpose, you're occupied with money, or you're taking care of other things in your life. Probably for some it can be health also, but now some kind of solid commitment is entering into your life, something that you have waited for a really long time. Okay, but you might feel that it's entering at the wrong place, not wrong place, but definitely at the wrong time. Okay, and also I also feel, I don't know, but I have a feeling that someone has been guiding you, or someone who is a mentor to you, or someone wise can guide you, and this person is going to help you break certain illusions of yours. Okay, so you might have to be in your receptive energy when you deal with this person. Let's clarify the last few cards. We have Ace of Cups, and with Ace of Cups we have Queen of Pentacles. You might have a choice between your career or someone with whom you can settle. Okay, there's a big choice which is coming towards you, and this is specifically for the ones who are really career oriented right now, or you focus on making money, or you have recently started making money, and all of a sudden you might see that there's someone who is wanting to approach you, there's someone who's wanting to pursue you. So your heart is going to be overwhelmed, you might feel overwhelmed in next 48 hours. Your heart will be awakened, and you might have to make a choice between the two. Okay, so definitely your heart's desire is there, but at the same time money is also calling you. So you might have blessings coming to you from all the directions, but for these blessings you will have to give it some space and give it time, put efforts into all these things. So that can be one dilemma, and for that, yes, definitely you will have to put a lot of strength when it comes to this thing, because I do feel that you are in two minds. We got lovers here, by the way. Okay, and with this lovers energy, I do feel that you're fighting for something. Okay, for some it can be old versus new, whether you should be sticking to the old, whether you should be waiting for the old, or you should gather strength, gather courage, and go towards someone new. So this is going to be another fight or another battle that can really take up your headspace. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई मुझे ना ऐसा भी लग रहा है कि जैसे आप कुछ कोई अननेसेसरी बैटल में हो. इट्स लाइक एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. सब कुछ आपके सामने क्लियर है. इट्स जस्ट दैट यू नीड टू टेम योर ईगो अ लिटिल बिट, और you need to tame your desires a little bit, and rest everything is going to happen. Okay, everything will fall in place. It's just that you need to embrace the peace that you have created within yourself. Okay, I would really suggest you not to get stuck into past energies, whether you are a masculine or a feminine, whomsoever is watching this. Then we have the hermit, and with the hermit we have queen of wands, knight of wands, and queen of cups. So there's one energy which is going to demand a lot of attention, a lot of confidence, a lot of hard work, and there's one energy which is going to demand a lot of emotions, a lot of sensitivity, softness. So now you have to decide, you have to see how you can balance the both. Okay, because there's something which is happening in your life, and it's going to happen at a very speedy pace. Okay, you have been in your hermit zone, you have been, you know, taking your life at a very slow pace, you have been enjoying, you have been relaxing and everything, but now universe is saying you're done with relaxation, you're done with resting, now it's time to buckle up, and you have to deal with two personality of yours. Okay, you will have to deal with two energy of yours. And then we have the high priestess, and with that we have five of swords, we have we have four of swords, and we have page of swords. Now it's time to give rest to your ego, it's time to give rest to your immaturity, it's time to give rest to your stubbornness. Okay, your intuition is telling you again and again that now it's high time to do this, now it's high time to do that. But either for some it is your ego which is again and again, it's literally ruining everything, it's ruining your 3D blessings. And there are some people who are very immature, who are acting immature, they are not immature but acting immature, they are being rigid, they are being stubborn. And universe or your higher self, your intuition is telling you to use wisdom into this situation, bring healing into this situation, rather than being stubborn or rather than being egoist. Okay, so yeah, I think that is there. I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye.